today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a filter to a photo in Google Photos. We'll walk through a quick, simple process to give your picture a polished look using the built-in filters. This works the same way on most Android phones and iPhones, and you don't need any editing experience to follow along. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your device. Give it a moment to load your library. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one that has the photo you want to edit so you can find it quickly. Next, tap the photo you want to enhance. You can pick something from your recent shots or jump into an album if that's where you keep your favorites. Choosing a photo with good lighting usually gives filters more to work with, but don't worry. Filters can help bring life to darker images too. With your photo open, tap Edit. This is the sliders icon you'll see near the bottom of the screen. Tapping Edit opens the editing workspace and shows all the tools available for adjustments. From here, tap Filters. This section contains preset looks that instantly change the mood and style of your image. Filters can shift color tones, boost contrast, and add warmth or coolness with a single tap. Think of them as a starting point that quickly gives your photo a consistent vibe without manual tweaking. Now tap a filter to apply it. As you try different options, your photo will update in real time so you can see how each one looks. Some filters are bold and dramatic, while others are subtle and natural. Pick something that complements the subject. Soft filters often work well for portraits, and richer filters can help landscapes pop. If you want to be extra precise, many filters offer a strength slider you can adjust later, and you can press and hold on the photo to briefly compare the filtered version with the original. These are optional touches that help you dial in the look you prefer. When you're happy with the result, tap Done. This saves your edit to the photo while keeping the original safely stored in the background, so you can always revert if you change your mind. Your edited photo will sync across your devices if you're connected, making it easy to view or share later. That's all it takes. Open Google Photos, choose a photo, tap Edit, go to Filters, pick the look you like, and tap Done. Simple, quick, and effective for giving any image a clean, cohesive finish.